Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mailchimp with OAuth for campaigns. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start authorizing Mailchimp with OAuth for your campaigns, first, visit the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section from the profile drop-down in the top right corner. In the account menu, find and select the Extras tab. Under Extras, choose API Keys. Now, click on the Create a Key button if you don't have one already. Once the key is created, copy it to your clipboard for later use. Next, open a web browser and head to the Mailchimp developer portal. Here, you will need to sign in again to access the authentication tools. Once you're signed into the developer portal, click on Create an App, fill in the required details such as the app name and description. Next, set up the redirect URI by entering the URL where you'll want to receive OAuth responses. Make sure to check the permissions required for your application. After filling in the details, click the Create App button. Once your app is created, you will be provided with a client ID and client secret. Copy both the client ID and client secret as you will need them for your OAuth setup. Now it's time to generate the authorization URL. The URL format should look like this: https://login.mailchimp.com/oauth/authorize ?response_type =code &client_id =your _client_id &redirect. Replace your _client_id and your _redirect_URI with the respective values you've copied earlier. Open a new tab in your browser and paste the generated URL. You will be prompted to log in to Mailchimp again if you aren't already logged in. After logging in, you will see a screen asking for permission. Click the Allow button to grant your app access to your Mailchimp account. Once you allow access, you will be redirected to your specified URI, which will include a code in the URL. Copy this authorization code from the URL. Next, you need to exchange this code for an access token. To do this, send a post request to https://login.mailchimp.com/oauth/token . Make sure to include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in the request body. Once you send the request, you should receive a response containing your access token and refresh token. Save this access token securely, as it will be required for authenticating API requests. You are now all set to use Mailchimp's API with OAuth for your campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.